Namaskar. Today we are going to do a meditation that is called the swastika meditation, and this is as the symbol of swastik, and this is the swastika dhyan. In this dhyan, your leg become in this position, and you see it in this position. This is the position you take here, and if your this leg is aching, you take this position and stand here for 5 or 6 minutes and stand for about 10 minutes. And in this condition, you do this. I am sitting, you do your leg, because the picture of the dhyan in the standing condition, you do your hands in this condition in the upper level, and I am standing the camera for this position. You do as in this position. You stand, you take your one leg on your thigh, and then you stand and take your hand in this position and breathe, inhale and exhale. Inhale with chanting Om. Om. Exhale with chanting Om. Om. This is the swastika asana, and this is not actually the yoga position. This is the meditation with yoga, swastika meditation. You take your hand on the head of upper level, and in this position, you should be in the standing condition and then do this meditation. I am doing this in the sitting condition because the camera position. I think you learn it and know it. What am I say you? After 10 minutes, you take your own position, actual position, and this yoga with the meditation is finished after 10 minutes. And you can do this yoga with meditation for 5 or 6 minutes also. Okay, thank you very much.